Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. In this video, I'll show you how to add a proxy to WhatsApp. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for WhatsApp. Make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Once you've done that, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Then tap on Storage and Data. Here, select Proxy and then tap Add Proxy. After that, tap Set up Proxy and enter your proxy address. Once you've entered the details, save the settings, and that's it. You've successfully added a proxy to WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.